In Russia tonight there was a new attack by an unknown drone on the Kalino military airfield in Kursk. As a result of the attack, an oil reservoir near the airport caught fire. This attack comes after the yesterday attack on other two airfields in Russia, and the damaging of two Russian Tu-95 strategic bomber. Now it's clear that these attacks are not random, but this is clear in Ukrainian strategy of striking deep inside Russian territory. Here Ukrainian forces are towing, likely Russian, destroyed BRDM-2. Ukrainian special forces destroyed a Russian T-80BV tank that was conducting harassing fire in the east. On the day of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, President Zelensky thanks all the soldiers. He stands at the entrance of Slavyansk in Donbas. Russians rage over the fact that he is able to stand so close to the front while nothing is being done against it. A true passionate leader. Message from Roberta Metsola, head of European Parliament about Ukraine Armed Forces Day.
You will win. You will win for your fallen heroes. You will win for your children. You will win for your freedom. You will win for our values. You will win for Ukraine. You will win for Europe.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.